The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 435, effective until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Georgia: Banks, Barrow, Bartow, Baldwin, Bibb, Bleckley, Butts, Carroll, Catoosa, Cherokee, Chattooga, Chattahoochee, Clark, Clayton, Cobb, Coweta, Crisp, Crawford, Dade, Dawson, DeKalb, Dooley, Dodge, Douglas, Emmanuel, Fayette, Fannin, Floyd, Forsyth, Fulton, Gilmer, Glassneck, Gordon, Greene, Gwinnett, Harris, Harrelson, Hall, Hancock, Hurd, Henry, Houston, Jasper, Jackson, Jefferson, Johnson, Jones, Lamar, Lawrence, Lumpkin, Macon, Marion, Madison, Merriweather, Morgan, Montgomery, Monroe, Murray, Muskogee, Newton, Oconee, Oglethorpe, Paulding, Peach, Pike, Pickens, Polk, Pulaski, Putnam, Rockdale, Sly, Spalding, Stewart, Sumter, Talbot, Taliaferro, Taylor, Telfair, Towns, Trutland, Trop, Toombs, Twiggs, Union, Upson, Warren, Walker, Walton, Washington, Webster, Wheeler, White, Whitfield, Wilkes, Wilkinson and Wilcox. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may or may not be imminent, persons in these areas should look out for threatening weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Holy shit. How many fucking counties does the National Weather Service in Peachtree City cover, for God's sake? I'm so out of breath from reading that. This job is an immense struggle.
That's the reason why Tom was replaced with his son of a bitch.
Around 5 miles an hour. Sunday, cooler.
Looks
Mostly sunny.
Oh God! Oh my God! Oh my
Highs in
God! You can't hurt anyone anymore.
That was funny as fuck. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked it, and by God you better have, then please click like and subscribe.